Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to post photos and videos on Thread application. Friends, while creating your post on Thread application, you can very easily add photos and videos in your post. So to create a post, you simply need to open Thread application. In your Threads application, you need to press on write a post icon, and here you need to write your post. And to attach photos and videos, you simply need to press on this attachment icon. Now from here you need to select the photos. I am selecting one photo and one video. After selecting photos and videos, you simply need to press on done. Now your selected photo and video is attached to your post and you simply need to press on post to post it. Now to view your post, you simply need to press here and your post will look like this in Threads application. So friends, like this you can very easily post photos and videos on Threads application. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.